Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish and today let's look at a screen protector for the iPhone 12 family. And this screen protector comes for all sizes of iPhone 12s, such as the iPhone 12 Pro Max here, but it also comes for the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 mini. So if you've recently got yourself a nice iPhone 12 phone, such as this iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's important that you actually protect its screen from scratches. It does have the ceramic glass which protects it from drops, but its ability to ward off scratches is not that well known. So it's probably best not to take that chance. And what we have here is something that you can apply yourself. This is the Easy Fit tempered glass screen protector from Spigen, and it comes with a mold that you can place over the iPhone, and there is no way you can apply it incorrectly. So the best thing about this is that everybody with no knowledge or know-how of how to apply a screen protector correctly can easily apply the screen protector. So let's see what comes inside this box. This is a 2-pack, so you get 2. A few months down the line, if you need to change your screen protector for any reason, you have a backup here. So that's a good feature. So I've got links to Amazon in the description. Please use those links as it helps support this channel. So obviously we've got the 2 screen protectors here. We'll put one of them back in there. You get a little squeegee here, which is used to remove air bubbles once you install the screen protector. There's a little thank you card in here with some instructions on the reverse side. So we'll use this one for now. So basically here is the instructions. It's quite simple. It's quite important that you wipe your phone screen before application, because you won't get a second chance to do that, and if any of these dust particles get stuck before the installation, then it will always remain between the screen and the screen protector. Not a nice sight. You also get these screen cleaning wipes inside the box, and we'll use one of these to clean the screen before application. So you've got 2 wet wipes here. We'll use one of them, and this is the little microfiber cloth which will also help with the cleaning. And you also get some dust removal stickers here, so for any tiny particles that are not coming off with either of those, you can use this as well. And it shows some instructions here that if there are any air bubbles after installation, you can use this squeegee here to actually remove those bubbles after you apply the screen protector. So in my case, since I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro Max since yesterday, and it has picked up some dust particles, so we will be using the wet wipe first. That's actually done a fantastic job of cleaning the screen. So there's no visible dust particles even under this bright light. I'm not able to see anything, so hopefully that's the only step we need to take. Okay, so that looks pretty clean to me. So once you're pretty sure that all the dust has been removed and you're inside a dust-free environment, all you need to do is that this is made with the exact shape of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see that this is the cutout for the Face ID sensors. So this is the top side. What we need to do is remove this film here before we apply the screen protector and the mold onto the iPhone. So it says here, remove this. And then you simply line up the mold over the iPhone, press it down, and you'll see the air is getting pushed out underneath. You can actually see that when you apply this. And because the mold fits exactly around the iPhone, there isn't any room for error. And so it says here, press and slide. So basically what we're doing is we're ensuring that the center part of the screen protector is pressing well against the iPhone 12 Pro Max's screen. So we've done that for a bit. It asks us to wait for 30 seconds and then we'll need to remove the sticker and after that we should be able to pull off the mold. So we'll give it 30 seconds. Okay, so now since the 30 seconds are up, we'll remove the sticker from this side. And what that does is it allows this mold to get freed off the screen protector below. And we just press down here and pull off the mold. So what we're left with now is the screen protector, and there's a top cover out here. So we'll just use the squeegee now to take off these air bubbles that we can see. Actually, we'll need to remove this first. Apart from that, there is no air bubbles to speak of. So as you can see from the edges, it's slightly recessed. So that means it has enough space for the case once you put that on, but it's covering the whole of the screen and protecting it well. So all in all, a very neat installation. And once you put it in the case, the iPhone is now protected and ready for duty. So there you have it. That's the screen protector for the iPhone 12 Max. It's the Easy Fit screen protector by Spigen. I've got links in the description. And just to show you, this is the same screen protector applied to the iPhone 12, the regular one. And it's the same quality. This is the third time I've used it. I've used it on the iPhone 11, the iPhone 12, and now on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this is a really high quality screen protector. I highly recommend it. It will save you money in the long run. It comes in a 2-pack, so you can change this if it gets cracked somewhere down the line or it gets scratched. And it's really easy to apply because of the mold that's provided. You cannot go wrong. You just place the mold over the iPhone. It will apply the screen protector exactly as per the phone's size. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing if you liked this video. I'll see you in my next one.